Hi guys, good morning. So in our previous discussion, we covered keyword research. So today we'll demonstrate how to efficiently create a high quality blog article using ChatGPT. Uh, of course, leveraging those keywords that we had last time about hot sauce. Uh, and also we will show you how to create or craft a prompt that generates SEO optimized content for your blog. So for those people who doesn't know what ChatGPT is, basically ChatGPT is an AI language model that created by OpenAI. It was designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the instructions or questions you give to it. Uh, think of it like a tool that helps you write, solve problems, or even brainstorm ideas by responding to the prompts you provide. So, a quick note why we want you to implement blogs on your website, on your current website, because blogs are a great way to bring free traffic to your website. When you write helpful or interesting content, people are more likely to find your site through search engines. It's a cost-effective way to get more visitors without paying for ads. Plus, blogs help build a connection with your audience. So by consistently sharing useful information, you create trust, establish relationship, which can turn leaders into a loyal customers. So without further ado, let's go to chatgpt.com. So ChatGPT's URL is chatgpt.com. We will include this on when we send this video to you, this session to you guys. So don't worry about it. So once you are in ChatGPT, so you have two options. Either you log in or you can use it without logging in. So what we recommend is you need to you always need to log in. So you have a copy of your past chats and you have a history of those prompts that you have used previously. So for here, I'm going to use login. And if you don't have an account with ChatGPT, you can easily create one. So just click on sign up. And also you can use Google SSO. If you have an existing Gmail, you can just click on continue with Google and then select the email that you want to use. And now here we are in ChatGPT. Now this is where we are going to add our prompt. So for those people who doesn't know what prompt is, so a prompt is simply a set of instructions or questions you give to an AI like ChatGPT. Uh, it's basically a guide in terms of generating a response. So it's how you tell the AI what you're looking for, whether it's a blog post, an answer to a question, or any kind of content. So the clearer the prompt, the better the result you'll get. Okay. So once you are here in ChatGPT, now it's time for you to create your prompt. Now, uh, I have a document here where I have created my prompt for this session. Now, basically, this is pre-made already, or I created this earlier. But I'll go. I'll quickly explain to you guys what this prompt is all about. So here I am telling ChatGPT that it is a professional SEO content writer, and then I have added the keywords that we want to use, which is the hats of stuff that we had in the last session when we did the keyword research session. So I listed it here so that ChatGPT can easily understand what are the keywords that you want to incorporate on your content. Now I also specified here the keyword distribution and use, uh, and then I also told the AI to include all the provided keywords, which is this one. And I told to it to organically add those contents in the content. And then also I gave the AI some SEO rules that it needs to follow. The also what things not to do, like preventing keyword cannibalization, etc., etc. And then the structure, the H1, H2, H3, and then the goals of this prompt is to ensure the article is informative and engaging, providing valuable information to readers. So do not get overwhelmed with this prompt. This is just a basic prompt, and you will have a copy of this one. So this is You can copy this prompt or use it as your starting point. Don't worry also, as we will include this when we send a copy of the session by email. So you can always improve this prompt as you use it. The idea is to just feed ChatGPT as much information as possible, so it understand your instructions and provide a high quality content. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just copy paste this one, copy and paste it in ChatGPT. Now again, you need to double check your prompt, make sure everything is clear to the AI, make sure the keywords that you want to incorporate in your content are in place, and all instructions are clear. Now, once you have double checked and you think that the prompt is already good, just click on this button or hit the enter button on your keyboard. So as you can see, I've sent the prompt now, and ChatGPT is now generating the content that we need. First thing is the introduction, and then how to make hot sauce, types of hot sauces, and then hot sauce recipe. And let's just wait for it to finish the whole content. Okay, now once you have the blog content that ChatGPT has created, all you have to do is to copy paste it. I mean, copy it and paste it on your desired uh desired Word document. So for now, I'm going to use Google Docs. So I've copied it and pasted it here. Now you have a article about homemade hot sauce. Now, if you want to edit the headings, feel free to do it. As you can see, it's already formatted in behalf of you. You don't have to format it one by one. But if you want to adjust it, like for example, if this particular heading should be heading tree on your, you think it's a heading tree, and then you can adjust it. You can also add different elements on this article. Like if you want to add uh, like links, images, etc., etc. It's up to you. Uh, and I think that's all. Andrew, do you have any feedback on this one?
No, just note that you don't for blogs you don't always have to use this approach. Um, you can for other topics, you can also include like if you're going to an event or if you're having an event or if you have a new product or just any kind of news about your business, just try to I know most people like to use Facebook and social media to inform their customers these things, but try to use start using blogs instead because traffic going to your Facebook post is not as important as traffic going to your website where your products are actually available to purchase. So
Yeah,
anytime you're thinking about making a social media post, just try to incorporate that into a blog as well. And it doesn't have to be like this is a good example of just uh like an information blog, but don't get like scared about feeling that you have to be obligated to create a blog post this in depth every time. A blog post can be 2 or 3 sentences. It's just more of just creating the post and keeping your site regularly updated so that you rank higher on SEO.
yeah, correct. And also, I mentioned earlier that ChatGPT can also do brainstorming about blog ideas using the keywords that you feed into it. So if you don't like this blog at all, let's say for example you have asked ChatGPT to create a blog based on your prompt, and you didn't like what it produced, then you can simply grab the keywords that you want and ask ChatGPT to provide you some blog ideas on this keyword. So, for example, I'll ask ChatGPT to provide some ideas based on the keywords that we have on the Google Sheet. So, please provide some blog ideas on these ideas and titles using these keywords. Provide five. So I'm going to remove those. I'm not sure why it's copied. Okay. And now ChatGPT will give you five title ideas and blog topics that you can use to your blog post. Now, once you have uh, once you have selected the blog ID or blog title that you want to use, you can simply just tell ChatGPT, okay, create a blog for item number 4, and it will create a blog for you based on the title that you have selected. Let's just finish this. And that's it. That's everything uh, that's what ChatGPT can do on a level where you want to create a blog post for your website. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask or send an email to us.
And once you're finished your blog post and you've published it to your site, um, market it on your socials, so Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you have. Just have like a little Facebook post saying, new blog uploaded, and then have a link to your blog just to help drive
Yeah.
more organic traffic there.
Yeah, and if you want to create some captions as well for your social media posts, you can also ask ChatGPT to do that. So, uh, using this example, we can ask ChatGPT something like this. So based on this blog that you have created, please create 5 uh, social media captions that I can use when sharing this to my audiences. Then it will produce some captions for you, and it's up to you which one you would want to use. And as you can see, ChatGPT is very creative in terms of making these captions, and in terms of on how in terms of creativity, ChatGPT is really very good, and you really don't need a human brain right now to do this, because as if you read the captions, it's very straightforward, and it's all about the blog that you have created. So yeah, so I think that's all for this session.
I'm just gonna add
Uh,
quickly, just as a final note, that as good as AI is, um, you have to still proofread the post that it creates before you publish it, because
yeah,
although AI is great and it's rapidly improving, it still has moments where it either shares wrong information, or like it's good for spelling mistakes and grammar, but information, you're gonna know your products. Like for instance, this hot sauce. If you're selling hot sauce and you're creating hot sauce, you're gonna know hot sauce in the industry better than the AI
yeah.
is. So proofread it. Feel free to change things, make it a little more personal. Maybe make change some of the sentencing around so to make it sound a little bit more human. AI is getting better, like I said, but you can usually still tell when you're reading something that's created by AI. And so if you just try to if you have the time, try to personalize it a little bit better. But this will cut your time down in, by 80%, using ChatGPT to create blogs and stuff for you.
All right. So again, thank you for joining this session, and have a great day.